Welcome! Today I'm excited to show you this beautiful hill station home surrounded by peaceful mountains and fresh pine forests. Let's explore this amazing home together.
The journey home is just as beautiful as the destination, with every turn revealing another breathtaking mountain view. Good morning from the mountains. As the first sunlight touches this beautiful home, every corner feels calm, peaceful, and connected to nature. This natural stone exterior blends perfectly with the mountain's landscape, creating a home that feels elegant without trying too hard. This peaceful garden is the perfect place to enjoy fresh mountain air while surrounded by colorful flowers and endless greenery. Imagine starting every morning with coffee here, watching clouds slowly drift across the valley below. From every angle, this home feels like it was designed to become part of the mountains rather than stand apart from them. Even during a gentle mountain rain, the warm lights inside make this home feel incredibly welcoming. As the sun to set, the warm color transforms this mountain home into something truly unforgettable. This private backyard creates the perfect place to relax after a day surrounded by the beauty of the mountains. On misty mornings, the house seems to float above the clouds, creating a view that feels almost magical. During winter, this home becomes a cozy mountain escape where every snowfall adds another layer of beauty. With panoramic valley views stretching for miles every day, here feels like waking up inside a postcard. This outdoor lounge is designed for peaceful evenings, meaningful conversations, and unforgettable mountain sunsets. Luxury isn't only about beautiful design, it's about finding a place where nature, comfort, and peace come together perfectly. Would you love to live here?